Joshua. Really excited about Hoover Dam today. We should be able to get some really good noise. It's ready. You're totally. Oh, I forgot my Kindle. Take the camera.
Take it. It's on the lights on. I'm scared of the dark. Right, let me just put my stuff in my bag. Just after 25 to we're gonna miss our damn coach.
Yeah, it's not going to be too long, but...
Aye, blame him. Got the essentials. Yeah, Cheetos. The girl on the train, you can purchase this from WH Smith's or probably most other places. Highly recommend, even though I've only wrote 10 pages. Okay, so Cheetos, book, tripod, bags of goodness.
Water.
Vape. Oh, there's a water in not in here, that's a good point.
Yeah, I'll put that here.
So hydrated boys and girls. Girls get thirsty too. Oh, thirsty girls! Yeah, let's go. Right. Let's carry the camera off. Put it in my bag now.
Hi again. Oh, darkies. Joshua, man.
What for me?
Hurry up.
Hello. Donald Trump's mum.
Oh, he was here yesterday, but didn't see him. This hotel is actually gorgeous. So I've never stayed in anything like it before. Man, look at the myths. More like Egyptian. Oh, the sweet mirror.
You've never seen them before. See if it shocks me, because everything shocks me. I'm scared.
Oh, you did it.
I'll push down. Oh,
Yeah, that's where we need to go down.
Where's the roof?
I wonder if there's anything on there.
Chickens.
Not scared, not scared. Focus then. There we go.
Shows me a stranger.
Look how pretty these are. Dabbins. I really hope this is the right place. It's got to be, ain't it?
Right, I had it onto the coach. Definitely nearly missed it. I was waiting in the wrong place, but it's way here now. So I'm not sure I'm just going to take, but man, there's plug sockets and everything. Didn't bring me charger. Did you? No. So, ow. I think it's going to be about 2 hours or so. There we go.
Okay, good morning everybody. My name's James.
It didn't actually take us that long to get here, like what, 40 minutes if that?
Yeah, probably about 50 minutes, but the driver was got really funny.
Yeah, he was quite cool actually. His name's Willie.
So he's Tim, little Willie.
Yeah, should we go?
Yeah.
Go out there, let's have a look.
Easy, easy. Pull out your heart to make up being alone. Easy, easy.
What are your thoughts?
It's just, it's amazing. I literally have like no words.
The water comes out of the turbines.
It's quite overwhelming actually. It's annoying that you can't get a perspective of how big it actually is on the camera. I've tried 98 times, but well, that looks quite 2D on the camera, but it's,
You see two
I know it might look better on the computer and stuff, but
on each side of the
we'll see.
canyon.
We're going to try and get over there now so we can look like directly down. Don't know why I did that with the camera, but yeah, we've got the lake over that side as well.
The guy on the bus said, do you see where the lines are?
Hoover Dam
What?
operate
Where the
without the
lines
use
are
of
at the main
technical
yeah.
powers.
That's how high the water actually was.
Those lines,
You'll
so
notice
you can
the
see
roofs
the
on both buildings appear to
separation
have
there.
wires coming out of them.
That's cool.
This is
I didn't hear him say that.
Yeah, we was going, when we was coming down the thing,
From
it
the
was about the
takeoff
other lake.
structure, the
Oh yeah.
wires carry the electricity
Oh no, I think it was still
up
like
and over the
Mead,
canyon.
but it
Yeah,
was
that's still
just-
like
yeah,
Mead.
yeah.
Well, we're going to have a look then.
Easy, easy. You break the bridle to make losing control easy.
I'd say this sums up the trip so far anyway.
Yeah.
As in like, it's freaking huge.
Yeah.
It's really not possible to like get across how big this place actually is. It pretty much sums up our trip so far because like on the strip and the Luxor and that way we're staying, everything's just like so like big and oversized. But this just tops it off. Madness. What do you think?
Huge.
Huge.
Beautiful though.
Not a cloud in the sky either.
No, what's happening? It's not
Desert. We're in the desert. Yeah, it's getting a bit hot now, isn't it?
burning.
Right, we've seen everything that there is to see really. We've still got like half an hour till the coach leaves again as well, so we're just chilling. It's really hot as well, so we're going to just find some shade. We just had some food and stuff to add a damn dog. Yeah.
Start feeling really lightheaded.
Yeah.
That hot.
It's the thing you kind of forget that you got to stay hydrated. Well, you don't. Obviously you need to, but it's been really cool. Don't really want to wait half an hour for this bus now, but it's fine. We're just chilling on the stairs. Nice view. It's definitely catching up with us a bit of travelling and stuff, but got to keep going. We're only here like, for a few days, so got to do everything there is to do.
Yeah, we've got loads of work. We leave on Tuesday, so technically 4 days.
Yeah, you got 4 days left. So it's all good.
It's sort of sea still, so.
Yeah, we'll make the most of it, won't we? It's hard, isn't it? Because you want to fit loads into like your days and stuff, but like it's massive and it takes a while to get to places. So, but we'll do what we can. You know?
We've got to get to the Bellagio as well. I wanted to play it.
Yeah, we'll definitely do that. We'll do it one of the nights.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll keep you updated with what we end up doing, and we'll see you somewhere else in freaking Vegas, I guess. There's not a star in heaven. You dizzy blue? Yeah. Right, we didn't film anything else because we already done everything. So we've been back at the room. We got back about 3 o'clock. It's now. Is that all it is? 4:45. I thought we've been back for ages. But yeah, we've just been chilling in the room for a bit. We had a little gamble, you know, a little flutter. But yeah, we've been doing alright to be fair. We've kind of like, we just keep breaking even. Like, we'll win a bit, then we'll gamble again. We won't win, and then we'll win it back, kind of thing. You know what breaking even is. But yeah, we're just getting sorted now, and we're gonna go meet some of the guys, have a few drinks. The mistake we keep making is eating loads and then expecting to be able to drink. So we're gonna drink first, aren't we?
Yes.
And then grab some food a bit later, probably. I probably won't. I got some flaming hot Cheetos.
I've got some beef jerky. Bacon jerky.
Bacon soda. I've got bacon soda. So we're gonna go over to New York. Going over to New York again now. My voice hurts. And going to the Irish bar while in Vegas again.
No, it's Coyote Ugly. Get my wax up.
Yeah, there's a Coyote Ugly bar and it's like happy hour from 6 till 9. So I'm gonna watch some bitches dance. So that's the plan for tonight. Tomorrow, Dizzy and Chris are gonna be here. Man's excited about that. If you follow my own channel, you will know them guys, but I'll link them in the description anyway, okay? So yeah, that's tonight's plans. We might not vlog. I don't know yet. If we don't, I'll just end it when we get back later. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed all the Hoover Dam footage and stuff. It was really an incredible place. Really quite overwhelming as well. So I'm hoping that the footage does it justice, kind of thing. Really do. I'll do my best with it. We'll see. You excited to get drunk, Shaunie?
Then I'll just...
That's a no then. Okay, just me.
Hey, bring my tits, man.
Just me. Bye. Nice.